dangerous gas boiler, and Elliot's back. My name's Alan Hart, and in today's video we've got videos that have been sent in from subscribers. First of all, we've got a dangerous boiler, and it's an Ideal Logic that's been installed. It's been installed. I'll show you the install, and I'd love you if you could please put some comments below and let me know what you think to the install, and then I'll go over I'll show you some of Elliot's. So we've got Elliot has sent us some videos again from E-Fry Gas Services, so I'll show you them, and then at the end I'll go over the faults with the first boiler. So yeah, let's go and have a look. I'd like to thank Matt Kelly from Glasgow for sending that video in. Matt is an installer and he's sent that in, he's come across that. We will talk about that more near the end of the video, and I'll tell you a little bit of the background to that installation as well. So yeah, thank you for that, Matt. Let's move on to Elliot.
Hello everyone. Right, so this is a very nice looking Kenwood gas cooker. And the customers here have just told me they're having a problem lighting the centre wok burner. And they're a little bit lippy, you can't really see it on the camera, but they're a little bit lippy yellow, that back one is, and they're not great. And when you do this, try and light this one, it's just not going. Then, ooh, off we got. Look at that beauty. So, what do you think the problem is? Obviously, you're going to think there's some sort of blockage. But on this one, bearing in mind my friends here have only just recently moved in, look at the colour of this. I think the previous owners have used some sort of really harsh chemical cleaner. And all of them are the same. Look, it looks like the surface of the moon. And all of these are the same. You have a look, even the ones that are working, but all the silver's completely gone. You have a look on the bottom, so it's all pitted, like really is like the surface of the moon. So we need to get a new set of hob tops for this, but this one's not working. It's completely blocked inside. If you look inside those holes, you see how it's just blocked. Just like debris, where whatever definitely a chemical cleaner has been used, it's just blocked the airways, and if I try and blow through it, nothing at all. So the importance of lighting the gas hobs, make sure everything's okay. Don't just be going, yeah, cooker looks okay, looks great, I haven't got an issue with it whatsoever. And the other thing to also check is check the cooker hoses, because on this one, after I just looked at that, the cooker hose here, you can see it right down the bottom, it's not in the safe area. Okay guys, this is why it's not good just to analyse your boilers. Take the case off, hole straight through on the back panels here, the back insulation boards, and you can see the metal back there, and also on these seals, they come off. They wear, especially on these, on the baxis and the Potterton versions, these boilers with these heat exchangers. So hang on, so you know what you're looking for on these types, especially on those, because these rubber seals here sit down over the rubber seals that seal. I'll try and get that in focus. There we go. Those rubber seals, when this hood comes off the main heat exchanger, and when the sump comes off the main heat exchanger, these rubber seals, that little noggin, sort of, you know, the loose bit at the end of the rubber seal digs in to the rubber on these. You see it imprints there get the focus right, but imprints there, and it wears them through. So another reason, always take off the boiler combustion door and take a look what's going on. Never trust your analyzer entirely.
So a little bit like Blue Peter, here's one I prepared earlier. So I've stripped this down. I've removed the front cover, which is just 4 screws. I've removed the inner cover, and again, it's another 4 screws. I've taken electrodes out as well. Have a look at that. These are seals in here, what Elliot were just talking about. I've also removed the fan on this, so I've taken the fan out of the bottom. So that's the fan on there. And then I've removed 2 screws out the bottom of the burner, just to show you the burner on there. Let me know what you think to these boilers. Give me your opinion. I'll tell you what my opinion is. I don't think they're a great boiler, to be honest. All this muck, I mean the design of it, all this muck and rubbish from here over years is going to fall down onto your burner, and if you've got muck and debris on there, then obviously it's not going to burn as well as it could. But let me know what you think. This is the Baxi or the Potterton heat only boiler. So yeah, let me know what you think to them. We'll zoom in now and I'll show you inside of it. If you have a look where that O-ring there, that connects onto your fan. So if you have a look on your fan, that's where it connects into there. You've just got that little screw there, and then that little screw screws into that slot. I don't know if you can see there's like a little mark on there where it's been in place. And then at the back there, you can see the condensate trap. Not the best design in my opinion. And again, as we say with burner, so you've got burner in the bottom, you've got an aluminium heat exchanger, you've got your flow return pipes on that side there. So please let me know what you think to this boiler in the comments below, and I'd really appreciate it if you put a thumbs up on the video. It really helps with the videos. What we're going to do now, we'll go back to the ideal logic, and I'm going to pause it in different sections and go through the different faults with it. And again, if you can add some comments on that as well, that'd be good. So yeah, let's go and look. So first of all, the first thing I'd be looking at would be gas pipe on this. And you can see there's no clips at all. It's a little bit awkward to see, but there's no clips at all on the gas. And then if we have a look at the condensate pipe, we can see that it's been joined to the PRV, to the blow-off, and it's leaking and it's dripping down onto the pipework below. And that might seem somewhat note, but actually that leaking down onto pipework, that pipe will almost definitely corrode and they will end up with a flood. If we have a look at the flue on this, we can see that it's not supported. You see there, it's got some lap band on there, some galv band, but that's not an approved support. So what would you class this as? Please add a comment below. Let me know what you think to this. Thank you to Matt and Elliot for sending them videos in. If you're an installer and you come across any bad jobs or even good jobs, then please send them in. I'll add my WhatsApp below as usual. Yeah, if you've got any comments, please add them below, and I keep saying that over and over again. But it's really important for videos to add as many comments as you can and thumbs up. And if you can share it into any groups or all like that. And if you're an installer and you do good quality work and you'd like to come onto this channel and you'd like to promote your channel, promote your work, then please get in touch, send me a message on WhatsApp, and if I can, I'll come out to some of your installs. Like I did with John, Love Your Plumber, I'll come out to your installs. We can add a link to your website, we can show how jobs should be installed correctly. Doesn't matter what brand that you install, so it could be a Baxi, it could be a Wiesmann, any brand at all really, and I welcome any brand. What we want to do is try and raise the standards as much as we possibly can, and if that helps you promote your business at the same time, then all well and good. Yeah, and if you've got any bad stuff as well, again, please send them in, and I'll try and do videos like this and just try and show the public that they shouldn't have to put up with this type of work, and show the public what they should get. I'm babbling on a bit there, but yeah, that's the aim of it. Yeah, thanks for watching.